Let's talk about organizing for the ear. Many of us have a tendency to cram as much information as possible into any presentation. You want to make sure the audience really gets their money's worth. However, that approach can backfire big time, especially on camera. Your audience can only digest so much information. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. Your thirst is not going to be quenched. A good rule to follow is the rule of 3. Humans process information in patterns. What's the smallest number to create a pattern? 3. So pattern plus brevity equals memorable content. The rule of 3 has countless examples. I came, I saw, I conquered, blood, sweat, and tears, location, location, location. If you tell them 3 things and repeat them at the end, they will be much more likely to remember them. So challenge yourself to organize your content like this. Come up with the one thing you'd like your audience to remember above all else. That's your key takeaway. And then identify 3 points that support that key takeaway. For example, in this module, my key takeaway is write the way you speak. And my 3 supporting points are use short sentences, don't worry about proper grammar, and vary the structure of your sentences so it's not just statement, statement, statement. The rule of 3 again.